Hey, it's Clarence and Tim McCarthy from HushMat. I got to tell you something. This is the perfect toolbox item, and it's called Quiet Tape. Now, you think tape is tape is tape. Not really. Tell me about the magic with this tape. Give him a shot.
Quiet Tape is really a installer's dream. Anybody that's going to do any type of electronic install, anybody that has a trim panel that vibrates, anybody that has a set of cabinet doors, frankly, that bang together, Quiet Tape is a solution. The thing that really makes Quiet Tape unique, it's a single-sided foam tape that uses HushMat's outstanding adhesive capabilities. And our product is something where you can tack a wire down in one area and then unwind it, tack it down over here, unwind it.
So it holds together. It has a holding property, but it's not permanent.
It's not permanent until you do sticky to sticky.
And then it's done.
And then it's done.
So that's a great solution, because in the old days you might want to try to neaten up your wiring harnesses, things like that, and you screw them into a firewall, or underneath you're actually screwing or drilling or something like that. That's a good solution for that.
No screwing into sheet metal, where you got all kinds of problems potential with with leaking and water intrusion and so forth. Quiet Tape sticks to plastic, sticks to wood, sticks to fabric, sticks to carpet, sticks to virtually any automotive or home or marine substrate.
And you know what I like about it also, especially if you're under your car, you're working, you need a piece of tape, you can go like that, cuts just like that. And of course, until you go sticky to sticky, you can play with it for a while. Sticky to sticky, you're done. Definitely want to check it out. This is a perfect toolbox item from HushMat. If you get a chance, go to HushMat.com, made in the USA, so chances are if you check in with HushMat, you'll definitely get in touch with this guy, Tim. Tell you what, go there right now, do something great for your car. HushMat.com.